Hi guys, if you have some sort of troubles with connecting your Marshall Emberton II speaker to your device, then this video is for you. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more helpful content. So, if your speaker is powered on and you have your Bluetooth on your speaker and on your phone, but you still have some troubles with connecting, then I will tell you some ways how to solve this problem. So if your speaker is working and you turn on the Bluetooth on both of the devices, but you still have some troubles with the connection, then I will tell you some ways how to solve this problem. So, the first way, you need to delete the device from your phone or forget it. So, in the list of the available devices, you need to find Emberton II, tap on it, and disconnect or forget this device. I tap on forget this device, and now I have to turn off the Bluetooth on the phone. So if you still have some troubles with the connection when you already followed these tips, then I will tell you some more. So you can reset your If you followed this tip but it didn't help, I will tell you some more. The second way, you can reset your speaker. To do this, you need to press on this Bluetooth button and hold it till this indicator starts blinking. Then you need to release this button when you see that the indicator stops blinking. Now I'm holding this button. You see it is blinking. Now we wait. Great, the lights turned off. Now it is reset. So, when you follow this step, you need to reconnect your device to your smartphone. You need to turn on the Bluetooth again. Then you need to find from the list of available devices Emberton II. Tap on it, and it will automatically reconnect to your phone. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching this video.